What's up, mainframers? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into how to write a simple JCL job. If you're curious about what are the 3 key parts of a JCL job, this tutorial is for you. You don't have access to a mainframe? That's not a problem. I got a link in the description down below where I show you how to install the Hercules emulator that runs the MVS 3.8, which is an IBM mainframe software. You can install it and follow along with me and start your mainframe journey today. Now that we got the intros out of the way, let's get this job started. Alright, let's create our JCL job. From the command line, we do an equal 3.4 and hit enter. Next, we go to our partition dataset. This one is mj.dev release01.cntl. Hit enter. Then we tab over to the dataset and hit edit. And then we type S, and we're going to call this one allo for allocate PS. Hit enter. Now we're ready to code our JCL job. First, let's start with the job statement. So we'll just tab over to the first line. First, we'll start with the job statement. This kicks things off. It tells the system, hey, I'm a job, here's who I am, and where to send my output. Oh, I got a little mistake. I just need to put a space right here. Good. Next, it's always good to breathe a little bit. So we're going to insert a line and we're just going to put a comment. So // and star. And hit enter. Next is the job step. This executes the exec statement. This is your action line. It says run this program. And next is the DD statement. This is where you define your data. Then specify what dataset are you using. Then specify its disposition, whether you want to create a new file, you catalog it if it runs correctly, and delete if it abends. Then we include the unit as TSO. Then we include the space to say how big we want the file. We specify track and its primary allocation and secondary allocation. And don't forget to use release to release unused space. In the DCB, we specify the record form type, the file length, and the block size. And next, to capture program output and diagnostics in JCL, add the following DD statements to route messages and dumps to the spool. And don't forget to save your work. Then we type sub from the command line and hit enter to submit the job. Let's go check on our file. So we do equal 3.4 from the command line. And we type in mj.input.file01 and hit enter. Now tab over to the file and say edit and hit enter. And now you can enter some text. And there you have it. Hey, awesome! You created a job and you told the mainframe to create a new file. Now, if we were to rerun this job again, we'll get an append. That's because you cannot create a file if it already exists. So to make this job reusable and keep the same file name, we'll need to create an initial step to delete the file if it already exists. So we're going to insert a block of lines. We're going to insert 30 to create a new job step. And this time we're going to execute a program called IDCAMS. Next, we add the sysprint to route messages to the spool. Next, we include the sysin, which provides input data or control statements directly to the program being executed, which is IDCAMS. Then we specify which file we wish to delete. Then we put a close to our sysin and hit enter. And don't forget to change your step 01 to step 2. And don't forget to save your work. And there you have it, a JCL job ready to run. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, then I'd like to ask you to please smash the like and subscribe button down below so you'll be notified for more future upcoming JCL tutorials coming your way. Also, don't forget to drop a comment down below if there are any other JCL related topics that you would like to see. Until then, I will see you later.